Hello, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a long since I haven't put any videos, but in this time I am really busy with something fun, like making AI games and trying to build and scale it, and end goal is to make money. So here's what I really enjoy doing, because this is the most exciting side hustle I ever trying to build right now. And right now I will give you the complete guide to make an AI games and trying to get something from it. So this is gonna be a very super cool and really fun to doing it, and this is my most exciting side hustles I am ever building and never getting bored. So let's get it started. First of all, let me clear the goal. Actually, the first is we will finding the ideas, the game ideas, which one most repeatable, right? So repeatable loop kind of games, and then we will test it that people will like or not, and then we'll try to get traffic, and end goal is monetize them. So the really simple step, right? So right now we're gonna deep diver on finding the game ideas. So it's very quite simple, right? So what really working right now, we're gonna look for that. So if we copy them, or if we build something similar or most fun, that gonna works. So this is actually the main concept of us. So let's try to find out what is the game ideas people are already playing, or people are already enjoying the game. So in order to research that, we have to go to like CrazyGames. There's tons of games people are finding for free and playing them. So really great platform, and all we can do some research on that. So if we find that this interesting, and there is a most repeatable loop kind of game, so we can find that out. So after selecting the game, we can go, or we can also finding through any AIs like Claude or ChatGPT, or somewhere which are cheaper, like AAS.ai also available there. You can also tell that give me 10 repeatable loop game ideas. So it will give you the 10 list, and then build each one by one, because the AI is really super cool. It can build and deploy them and share to your friends. So this is gonna really easy to come up with the ideas. So we don't need really great ideas at the first prompt or something. All we can do is just get it started first, and then featuring the ad by step. So there is the whole bunch of things. If you want, I will share the screen and share with you. I also give some of the descriptions on the link, because you can also find my games I am also trying to build, and I have tons of other side hustle kind of stuff I am doing right now. You can also find out on my descriptions. So anyways, let's find out the second part. Second part is to building, right? So AI is one of the most powerful things right now is going on. So I found the most powerful is a Code Fable 5. So right now you might not be able to get that, because it's banned, and it has a tons of cost. So it's not really cost efficient right now. And there's another bunch of options like AAS.ai. You can get that. So it's really super cool. Just for $7 or $10 you can get whole features like Claude, like ChatGPT, and any big AI models existing on there. So you can build it there, and instantly you can render, or you can instantly make it live to play to your friends, or whoever wants to play. Even if you can put the link to your social media that you build it, and people can also enjoy that. So there is a one-step process building with AI. Just prompt it and build the whole bunch of things. So number three step, we have built our game and share to our friends, right? So our friends might give us some of feedback. Oh, it's really cool game, it might be big or something. Or you can also copy the link and share to TikTok. And also you can, one thing you can also do is share your screen, record your screen, and just put the game, make a reels, and put to especially TikTok is really well for reels. So you can give to the short forms videos on there, and you can also watch some of the examples there. I'll show you later. So they are doing really well. So your game, you can market for free totally. So all you can do is very simple, just record your screen and make a reels and add some of the memes videos so that people like and engage them. There is one way to get traffic on your website. So you got the whole ideas and you are getting traffic from social medias, and this is why you got the right to build, right? So the next step will be to host it. So hosting a little bit of difficult part, so non-technical person it might find her. So Code Fable 5 do whatever you want, so but it is not cost efficient, right? So it's a little bit tough to minimize your cost. But if you read the instructions that whatever is telling to that, and you just do by your own, so that's gonna be a little bit time. It's gonna take a little bit time, but once you done that, it's gonna be very easy for you. You can one improvement is you learn the things, and second is you know how to deploy your apps or applications. So you validate your ideas, and now you have to push the code to GitHub, and you have to host it on Vercel. Vercel is the hosting platform. You can host your code there and make that available for the world. And GitHub is a source code where you source the code there, your GitHub profile. You need a GitHub profile and just push to code out there. So very easy, simple things. You might hear that it's no problem at all to do that. So you made your application live, hosted to the Vercel, and you push the code to GitHub. So that's all about. You don't need to buy domain. It's the additional tab. If you wanted to buy domain, it's optional. You can after validating the ideas, and you see that it's a really big, it might be big, it's really entertaining game, so you can buy a domain as well. So that's the steps you need to do. And now it's really done. Let's go to the enable analytics, just how many people are playing the game or enjoying the game. So if you saw that your game is doing really well, or just people playing tens of thousands of people, but a domain just for go for Namecheap, go at whatever platform you could, or you saw is cheaper, so you could buy a domain and host it on that. So right now is to make it serious, right? So what you will do, just put into the Play Store and put into the App Store. I recommend you put to the Play Store first, but just for $25, and it's for once time cost. So this is very efficient, and if you saw that it's really well, and you are getting traffic, and you can, definitely you can put to the iOS. So it's a little bit of costly, $100 for a year, but if you saw that it's really super amazing and try to, it might be scaling, so you could definitely do. And now it's time to monetize, or you build the applications, and you getting traffic and people are enjoying that. So you can do is to Google Ads. Google Ads is the simplest way to build or monetize your applications. There are other platforms as well. I will give you later. Just for the things, I will just let you know that Google Ads is more efficient to monetize your applications. Right now is the most important things, or most trickiest things. So I saw you build the 10 game ideas from your prompt, right? So why not, if you build all 10 ideas and put it to one applications, and make a bundle. So you don't need to put into all the time and make separate applications or separate games for that. You just make a one applications and one website and one hosted website, and just you put it multiple games on there. So there is gonna be a high chances to grow your ideas or making AI building game side hustles. So that's it. That's all you need to do in 2026, using the AI, making games, for making browser games funny and entertaining, get traffic and monetize them. And after scaling, you just make an applications for iOS or Play Store or Androids. So that's all about you need. So thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed this thing, I will also put more videos about it, and if you really wanted a tutorial how I do, so I will also make videos on that. So thank you so much. I will see you later.